So we're just going to do a quick test on this bottle. We brought two 500 millilitres that are different sizes. I'll show you that in a minute. I'm just going to get a close up on the colours for you. These are the colours it comes in. It's quite a varied range. This is a stainless steel vacuum bottle. These are the three sizes it comes in. There's 1000 millilitres, 700, and like I said, these are the 500 ones. So you can use these bottles for travel, you can use it for the office, for running, for cycling, for fitness, and it also fits in your coffee cup holder in your car. What we're going to do now, we're going to unpack it, and we're going to have a look at the actual bottle. So we've unpacked it, and the black ones look really nice. It's a nice black matte finish. Really nice little handle on it. Also comes with a bottle brush, which can be really handy, and also a warranty card as well. Now we brought this from Amazon. They were $4.99 each. Like I say, we did buy two just to give a comparison between the two. Now you can get an 18-month extended warranty. Amazon only provide a short 30-day warranty, but if you send your order ID to support@degbit.com, you get an 18-month super long warranty, which I think is definitely worth it. It's absolutely free, don't need any more purchases. So we have the two bottles on the table now, side by side. We're going to fetch the lids off, we're going to put some hot water in there, we're going to check the temperature with a laser temperature gauge. Put the lids back on, we're going to leave them a few hours, see what the temperature's like after that. This is the device we're going to use to measure the temperature of the water. Just a small infrared thermometer. So as you can see guys, both bottles now have been filled with hot water. We're going to test them. I'm going to call this bottle here bottle A, and this bottle B. The bottle A is 34.2 degrees. Bottle B is 36.5. Now both bottles have had the lids firmly secured, and they're going to stay there for about 4 or 5 hours. So now the lid is off bottle A. Originally when we tested it, it was 34.2 degrees. We're going to have a check now from roughly the same distance. And that has gone down to 28.8. Now we're going to move across and check the bottle B. The bottle B was 36.5, and now it's 31.3. So that test went pretty well, I think. Bottle A originally was 34.2. 5.5 hours later it was 28.8, so it's lost 5.4 degrees in 5.5 hours. Bottle B originally was 36.5. When we tested 5.5 hours later, it was 31.3. That is a difference of 5.2. So the two bottles have only lost 0.2 of a degree over 5.5 hours. That's pretty consistent. So I think that's quite a positive test. So the hot test worked pretty well, I think. Over 5.5 hours and only 1 degree an hour lost. I think that's pretty positive. So what we're going to do now, we're going to empty the bottles. We're going to fill them with ice cold water. We're going to keep them in the same place for another 5.5 hours. And we're going to check the temperature after that. So both bottles have been filled up with ice cold water from the fridge. With bottle A and bottle B again. And we're going to check the temperature of bottle A. It's 13 degrees. And bottle B, 12.8. Again, both lids on bottle A and bottle B have been fastened securely, nice and tight. I'm going to give them about the same time, about 5.5 hours. And we're going to come back and find out what the temperatures are. So it's actually been just over 6 hours. We are going to take the lids off these, check the temperatures again. So now we're going to test the temperature on bottle A. It's gone to 16.2. Bottle B, that started out at 12.8. That's gone to 14.7. Okay, so we're going to have a recap now. Bottle A started off 34.2. That was hot water. After 5.5 hours, it's gone down to 28.8. It's a loss of 5.4 degrees. That's not bad. For just a small bottle, I only lost just over 5 degrees. Very happy with that. On the cold test, the cold test water started out at 13.7, and then obviously it's an increase in temperature, and it ended up at 16.2. That's only 2.5 degrees. So also I'm really happy with that. I am quite shocked that the hot temperature only lost 5 degrees. So I'm very pleased with that. So on to bottle B. Now that started off at 36.5 on the hot test and ended up 31.3. Again, just over 5 degree loss. I don't think I can have any complaints with that. The cold test started out at 12.8 degrees, ended up at 14.7. That's a 1.9 gain, obviously because it's cold. So I can honestly say that I'm again quite shocked at such an inexpensive bottle. These were only $4.99 each from Amazon, and they're going to keep hot things hot for you and cold things pretty cold, especially if the weather in the UK is going to continue after the weekend. Obviously Monday when we're back at work, it's going to be 30 something. So I really hope you like the test, I hope you like the review, and maybe you'll buy some of these, because in my opinion it's really worth it. And I must add that Amazon or Digibit have not sponsored me. They haven't asked me to do a review. It's just something I wanted to do just to show you guys the performance of these bottles. So again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for new videos. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and please comment, because I'll always reply to every comment. Thanks again. See you soon.